Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Equitable Employee Account. So let's get started. So to log into your Equitable Employee Account, what you can do is just open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Equitable Employee Login. And after searching for Equitable Employee Login, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply tap on this first option which says Login. So after tapping on that first option, you will come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply enter your user ID and password. So just enter your user ID and password in that first and second blank. After entering your user ID and password, now you can just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your user ID or if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just easily reset and recover those by creating a new one. So to create a new one, what you have to do is just tap on forgot your user ID or password, and then reset or recover your user ID or password for your account. And after doing that, you can create a new one. After creating a new one, you just have to come back to this sign in page and just enter the new user ID or the new password that you have created for your account. So after entering those, what you can do is just tap on sign in and you'll successfully sign into your account. But if that does not work, what you can do is just create a new account by tapping on need to register. So by tapping on need to register, you can create a new account, and by creating a new account you can use that. But if you remember your user ID and password, what you can do is just come back to the sign in page and just enter the user ID and password, and then tap on sign in. And after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Equitable Employee Account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.